my channel. This is Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, I am going to show you how to make some delicious bread pudding with a delicious rum glaze. If you guys would like to know how to make this delicious southern style bread pudding with rum glaze, then this is the video for you. So let's get into this video. The first step into making some bread pudding is to melt 2 sticks of butter or margarine, preferably unsalted butter. First, I'm going to add in 5 eggs, I'm going to add in 1 1/2 cups of light brown sugar. If you do not have light brown sugar, you can use white granulated sugar. Now I'm going to add in the 1 cup of melted butter. And now we are going to mix these ingredients together. Now, go ahead and add in 1 cup of raisins. Okay, so now we're going to add in 8 ounces of crushed pineapples. Not the juice, just the pineapples. So make sure that you do not add the pineapple juice. Drain your pineapple. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now add in 1 tablespoon of lemon extract. Now let's mix the ingredients together. Make sure that they are well combined. Now I'm going to add in 4 cups of whole milk. Okay, so the 2 types of breads that I will be using is a regular white loaf sandwich bread, and I will be using a vanilla brioche bread. So these are the 2 types of breads that I will be using for my fancy bread pudding. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to cut my bread. I'm just going to start pulling the bread apart and placing it. Don't flatten it, just pull it apart, pinch it off, and just put it into the mixture until you have the whole loaf completed. Now I am pinching off the light bread, the white sandwich bread. Of course, here in Georgia, in the country where I'm from, we say light bread. And just pinch it off like so. Don't flatten it, just pinch it off and place it in the bowl. You're going to use a whole loaf of white bread. So now I'm going to fold in like so my bread into the liquid portion mixture for our bread pudding. Y'all, it already smells good. This is going to be extremely delicious. We're going to let all this bread soak up this liquid for about 15 minutes. Okay, so now I've added the rest of my bread, and I'm going to go ahead and mix this in. Remember, you're going to need 2 loaves of bread, whatever type of bread you choose to use. Now, whatever baking dish you choose to use, get ready to pour your bread pudding mixture into your pan. I'm going to use 2 foil pans, but you need a 9x13 baking dish. So I'm going to use 2 of these. So pour your bread pudding mixture in. Okay, so we are going to bake this for 1 hour at 350 degrees. Remember to bake your bread pudding for 1 hour at 350 degrees. Also, make sure that you see some of the crust peeking out at the top of your bread pudding to get that beautiful look. We want this to be nice and golden brown. Here in my measuring cup, I have about 1 cup of powdered sugar. To that powdered sugar, I am going to add in some Bacardi rum, okay? You can use whatever type of flavoring you like. I'm gonna add in about 2 caps of the Bacardi rum flavoring. You can use vanilla flavoring, lemon, whatever flavoring you choose. And then I'm going to gradually add in some milk, okay? Not a lot, just a little bit at the time. And you mix it according to you get your desired thickness, okay, for your icing, okay? So roughly I would say about 1/4 cup or less milk, okay, to make the icing glaze for your southern delicious bread pudding, how we make it down here in the South. Okay, everyone, now it is time for me to get ready to take this bread pudding out of the oven. My timer has 4 seconds on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this bread pudding out of the oven. And once I get it out, we're gonna get ready to pour our sauce over. Okay, everyone, so when you get your bread pudding out of the oven, it's still gonna have like a little poof to it and a little slight like bounce back. That's how you know it's done, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and pour the glaze, the rum glaze that I made. Now if you're serving this to kids, you don't have to use the rum glaze. Remember, you can just make a regular icing or whatever type of glaze that you like for your bread pudding, okay? Ooh, I put too much on there. Let me lift these sides up before it falls out, y'all. And we're gonna allow this to sit and cool, okay? Once it has set, all that poofiness that you see, it's gonna go down. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial on how to make you some delicious, when I tell y'all, bread pudding is delicious. If you have never had it, you gotta get you some. This delicious recipe of bread pudding, the way it's done down here in the South, you will enjoy it. Your friends, your family, everyone will enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I Cooking with TK uploads a video. Peace. Have a great day.